Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about something very important. What to do in case of an earthquake. Earthquakes can happen anytime and anywhere, so it's crucial to be prepared. Let's get started. Prepare an emergency kit. Before an earthquake strikes, it's essential to have an emergency kit ready. Include non-perishable food, water, a flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, and important documents. Secure your space. Secure heavy furniture and objects to prevent them from falling during an earthquake. Use brackets, straps, or adhesives to secure items like bookshelves and water heaters. Emergency plan. Create a family emergency plan. Know how to communicate and where to meet up if separated. Practice drop, cover, and hold on drills with your family. During an earthquake, remember to drop to the ground, take cover under a sturdy piece of furniture, and hold on until the shaking stops. Protect your head and neck. Stay indoors. If you're indoors, stay there. Avoid running outside as falling debris can be extremely dangerous. Keep away from windows, mirrors, glass, and exterior walls to avoid injury from shattered glass. After the shaking stops, check yourself and others for injuries. Administer first aid if necessary. Carefully inspect your surroundings for hazards. Look out for gas leaks, damaged electrical wires, and structural damage. Stay informed by listening to emergency broadcasts and following instructions from local authorities. If you can do so safely, help those in need, especially the elderly, children, and people with disabilities. Remember, earthquakes can be sudden and unpredictable, but being prepared can make all the difference. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more essential safety tips. Stay safe, everyone.